Okay, today is Monday, January 10th, 2022. We're at 23854 Beacon in Farmington. We're going to do a diagnostic televised. You can see we have a 6-inch cleanout here in the outside landscaping. There's an issue with the sewer out towards the street. This televised is to show what the issues are and what options we can possibly provide. As you can see here, this is 6-inch PVC that's been installed. We believe it goes out to about the sidewalk area. And then we believe it turns over to 6-inch clay tile. Okay, you can see here, this is our change over to the clay tile. We are going to mark our push rod as we go in for measurements for a possible CIPP liner. This would be the start of our liner. We would start in the 6-inch PVC and overlap the transition area. Okay, here you can see we have a piece of clay tile that's laying in the bottom of the pipe. We are running fingers, so it may have gotten behind us. Okay, here you can see we're actually holding some water, pushing some paper. Through. We're going to continue on and televise out to the city main. See if we can push this paper out and then pull back and try and get an idea of the area where we are holding some water. Okay, as you can see here, that's the city main. The city main itself has been lined. Okay, we are going to continue to record as we pull back. As you can see, the tap was nicely cut out. Okay, here you can see this tile has a crack in it around the 12 o'clock position. We also have some heavier roots. You can see the pipe is cracked here across the bottom as well. Here you can see we have more cracking. This looks to be our tile that's more of a problem area. We do have a heavier root infiltration here. Try and see if we can get the lens clear. Okay, these are some loose roots. So you can see there's several areas of the piping that's cracked. This is an area with heavier root infiltration. Some loose roots here, as you see going back and forth. The sewer would need to be hydrojetted just to prop. Here you can see we have more roots through this area as well. We're going to pull back. We will clear our lens and do another televise going forward. See if we can get a little bit better view of the issues. But there's several tiles that are cracked. A 4-foot stint would not be enough to cover. Okay, again, as we pull back, this is where you can see we start having the issues with cracked tiles. You can see this runs across the top, over, and then down the side. Again, we have loose roots that we've been trying to push downstream. Here you can see again we have more cracking. Across the top and all down the sides. You can see we do have some roots here that would need to be removed from this joint before we could line. So there's several areas that we have some cracked tile and also multiple joints with root infiltration. Definitely a reason that we would need to do some jetting. Again, you can see we also have a loose piece of clay. This was possibly from where they made the tie-in that's been laying in the pipe. We're trying to see if we can move this downstream as well.